Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Today we are lifting second segment, which is 120 ton, and it is second in last 1 week. After every fourth day we will complete these segments. Total 53 segments we are lifting, and in June we try to finish the RHS side of lane.
In the second stage segments, the first setup on the stay cable, first set is completed, and the second section, which is getting lifted today, we will be lifting this steel segment, which will be balanced to the on the other side of the deck. And today this lifting by the stand jacks.